Hi there, boys and girls. We are ready to do the dictation portion of our lesson. If you have a paper and pencil, now is the time to use it. If you don't, no worries, just spell the words aloud. All right, let's get started. Get those pounders and tappers ready. First word, head. Say it with me, head. Pound it, head. Tap it, ed. Write it. All right, let's check it with the clean copy. Ed, head. If you got that right, give yourself a round of applause. All right, next word. Lead. Say it with me. Lead. Pound it. Lead. Tap it. L-E-D. Lead. Write it. Let's check our clean copy. Does yours look like mine? Nice work. Give yourself a thumbs up if you got that word right. All right, next word, show. Say it with me, show. Pound it, show. Tap it, sh-o. Write it. All right, let's check our clean copy. Did we get sh-o, show? Great job. All right, last word. Growth. Say it with me, growth. Pound it, growth. Tap it, gr-o-th. Write it. All right, let's look at that clean copy. Gr-o-th, growth. If you got all that right, I want you to give yourself a pat on the back. Marvelous work. All right, we have one last thing. We're going to do a sentence. Listen carefully. Here's the sentence. I stay healthy by walking on the treadmill. I stay healthy by walking on the treadmill. Say it with me. I stay healthy by walking on a treadmill. Let's say that one more time. I stay healthy by walking on a treadmill. Let's pound that together. I stay healthy by walking on a treadmill. Go ahead and write that. Here's our clean copy. I stay healthy by walking on a treadmill. Did we start with a capital letter? Did we choose the correct punctuation? Nice work. All right, let's look at that words healthy and treadmill. Ooh, that was tough, wasn't it? If you got all of that right, I want you to give yourself an air high five. Way to go! Keep up the great work. See you next time.